21st of April 2024. We have Sågargatan 16 here in Södermalm, Stockholm, Sweden. It was built in 1931. I think it was Crown Brothers originally.
Yeah.
Yes. The gate is original. The gate is very beautiful. You can see it's really or something like that. It'll be modernized down some time, but they have evergreen.
Yeah.
So it's still important.
Yeah.
But I have to take only one due to the memory.
Yeah.
Some reason no alarm button here.
Yeah.
What about the machine?
Yeah, it's original, so I take second thread also.
I can maybe still do it. It's
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is paid by the grant, maintained by Kony.
Well, then it's not modernized, but upgraded more.
Yeah.
I want to see the bottom here. Today it doesn't have the down button. It says ASEA here.
Huh? Ah, it's...
It was built by ASEA. Look at that, that's that logo.
Yeah.
So yeah, ASEA originally.
Yeah.
Yeah, real beautiful. Yes, yes. And also it's not that common anymore.
Yeah.
You can use the ground floor.
Yeah.
Of this gate.
Yeah, same.
That sound and smell here.
Same.
Yeah.
That's...
Thank you.